na-CS ka kasi sa una mong baby kaya ang sabi sa'yo, CS ka daw ulit sa mga susunod mong babies. Alam mo ba girl, sobrang outdated na niyan. Have you ever heard of VBAC? It means vaginal birth after cesarean section. Yes, it exists. And yes, it's possible. As a two-time VBAC mama and I'm currently 11 weeks pregnant with our fourth baby right now. Yes, I'm telling you, it's possible to have a vaginal birth after C-section. And to be honest, if you're gonna compare C-section birth and vaginal birth, it's way easier to do the vaginal birth than the C-section. Pati the healing process, girl, I'm not even kidding. Sobrang laki ng difference. That's why I this is just my personal opinion. I don't understand. I don't get why there's a lot of women out there who would just accept the fact na CS na sila without even putting up a fight or without even like considering the other options. You can go for trial of labor or something like that na parang "Oh, okay, CS na lang ako kasi mas madali naman ma-CS." Like, girl, don't get me wrong, okay? Disclaimer also. I know there's a lot of reasons why women would just opt out of vaginal birth just to get the C-section. For me kasi, I've experienced both births na. So, I know the difference. This is based on my experience still, but I know the difference. And in my case, nagpa-CS ako kasi at that time, I was 21 and it's just my personal choice na, okay, ayokong mahirapang umire. So, sige, biyakin nyo na lang ako. That's it. No other reason. I don't know sa mga public hospitals, sa mga lying-in clinics, or sa mga private hospitals, how much it costs. But I know kasi, again, based on my personal experience, there's a big price difference between the C-section procedure and the vaginal birth procedure. This is the VBAC out of the picture kasi alam ko parang up until recently lang na-recognize ng PhilHealth yung VBAC kasi parang not all OBs or not all hospitals practice that. So ayun, based on this video, if you're ever gonna consider vaginal birth after C-section, VBAC, the first thing is you have to find a birth provider, an OB, who practices gentle birth and or vaginal birth after C-section. Kasi nga, like I said, not all OBs, not medical providers practice that. So if you're around south, sa Cavite or sa Tagaytay, wherever in the south, I highly recommend si Doc Bev Ferrer. Hanapin niyo siya sa Facebook, si Doc Bev. Both my two VBAC babies, born April 2022 and August 2023. 'Di ba? So, sobrang liit lang ng age gap. Both my VBAC babies, siya yung nagpaanak sa akin. So, ayun, I highly recommend her. Hello, Doc Bev.